Have you ever started a new workout plan, feeling excited and motivated, only to find yourself giving up after just a week or two? Maybe you bought new workout clothes, set ambitious goals, and promised yourself this time would be different. But then, life got busy, your muscles got sore, and suddenly, skipping a workout seemed easier than pushing through. If this sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. In fact, most people quit their fitness journeys early on, and it's not because they're lazy or lack willpower. The real reason is that they try to do too much, too soon. They jump into intense routines, expecting quick results, and when progress doesn't come fast enough, frustration sets in. Social media plays a huge role in this. We're constantly bombarded with videos of fitness influencers doing extreme workouts, showing off dramatic before and after photos, and promising rapid transformations. It's easy to believe that if you're not sweating buckets or lifting heavy weights every day, you're not doing enough. But here's the truth. Real lasting fitness doesn't look like a highlight reel. It's not about pushing yourself to the limit every single day. It's about building habits that fit your life, not someone else's. When you try to copy these extreme routines, you can end up feeling exhausted, sore, or even injured. Your body needs time to adapt, and pushing too hard too soon can actually set you back, both physically and mentally. The good news is, you don't need to be perfect or spend hours at the gym to get fit. In fact, you don't even need a gym membership at all. Simple exercises at home, a walk around your neighborhood, or a few stretches in your living room can make a big difference over time. You can start right where you are, with whatever you have. Fitness isn't about fancy equipment or complicated routines. It's about moving your body in ways that feel good and are sustainable for you. One of the biggest myths out there is the idea that you have to go hard or go home. This all-or-nothing mindset sets so many beginners up for disappointment. It makes you feel like if you can't give 100% every day, you might as well not try at all. The truth is, progress isn't always obvious right away. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see instant changes in the mirror or on the scale, or when you struggle to keep up with tough routines. But remember, everyone's journey is different. Comparing yourself to others, especially those who've been at it for years, only makes it harder to stay motivated. Many people think fitness is a sprint, a quick dash to the finish line. But in reality, it's much more like a marathon. The people who succeed are the ones who pace themselves, making small, steady changes they can stick with for months and years, not just days or weeks. Real success comes from celebrating small wins, like finishing a workout, choosing a healthy meal, or simply showing up for yourself day after day. These little victories add up over time and build the foundation for lasting change. If you try to overhaul your entire life overnight, it's easy to burn out. You might feel motivated at first, but that intensity is hard to maintain, and when you inevitably miss a day or two, it's tempting to give up altogether. That's why so many people stop before they ever see real results. They think they've failed, when really, they just set themselves up with unrealistic expectations. The good news is, you can start getting healthier today, right at home or outside, with small steps that fit your lifestyle. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Progress is about consistency, not perfection. Even if your workout isn't flawless, or you miss a day, what matters is getting back on track and not giving up. It's all about making choices you can repeat, day after day. Whether it's drinking more water, taking the stairs, or doing a quick stretch before bed, these habits build up over time and lead to real, lasting results. So start small, be patient with yourself, and remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you see endless images of perfect bodies and intense workout routines in magazines or on social media. You might think you have to do everything at once, or follow strict plans to get fit, and that if you can't do it all, you shouldn't even start. But that's simply not true. The best way to begin any fitness journey is by making small, realistic changes that fit into your life. Instead of aiming for a complete overhaul, focus on 1 or 2 simple actions you can take today, like preparing a healthy meal or going for a short walk. These little choices, though they may seem insignificant at first, truly add up over time. Each checkmark on your calendar, each healthy meal, and every walk you take is a building block toward your goals. You don't have to change everything at once. In fact, trying to do too much too quickly can lead to burnout or frustration. It's okay to pause, to think about your options, and to choose what feels manageable right now. In fact, it's better if you don't try to be perfect. Allow yourself the space to rest, to skip a workout when you need it, or to take a break from your routine without guilt. Perfection is not the goal. Life is messy, and so is progress. An imperfectly made bed or a skipped workout doesn't erase your efforts. Everybody misses a day or eats an extra snack sometimes. That's normal, and it's part of being human. laughter, rest, and enjoyment are just as important as discipline. What matters most is your ability to get back on track, to lace up your shoes again after a break, and to keep moving forward. Missing a day doesn't mean you failed, it just means you're human. Even the healthiest people you know have ups and downs. They have days when motivation is low or life gets in the way. What sets them apart is their commitment to keep going, no matter what. The key is to keep moving forward, even if it's just a little. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or stepping outside for a 5-minute walk, are small victories that count. Making one small change today, like walking for 10 minutes, stretching for 5, or simply choosing to move your body in a way that feels good, is more powerful than waiting for the perfect moment to start a big plan. Drinking an extra glass of water, celebrating your effort with a smile or a fist bump, these are victories worth acknowledging. Every positive choice is a step forward. Over time, these small steps become habits. The more you repeat them, the more natural they feel, and the easier it becomes to stick with your routine. Habits are what make fitness stick. They turn effort into routine, and routine into a lifestyle that supports your well-being. Remember, you don't have to impress anyone. Your journey is about you, your health, your happiness, and your progress. Track your journey in a way that feels meaningful to you. Whether it's journaling, taking progress photos, or simply noticing how you feel, celebrate your unique path. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Your story is unfolding one choice at a time. Keep going, and be proud of every step you take. You don't need long, complicated workouts to get healthier. In fact, for many people with busy schedules, trying to squeeze in an hour at the gym can feel impossible. The good news is, you can still make real progress with much shorter sessions, right in your own home. Short and simple sessions are often better for beginners, because they're less intimidating and easier to stick with. You don't need fancy equipment or a lot of space, just a little motivation and a few minutes to spare. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day is a fantastic way to start. Set a timer, pick a few basic moves, and focus on moving your body. Over time, these small efforts add up to big results. Try to move your body a little each day, even if it's just a quick walk around the block, a few stretches in your living room, or some gentle yoga poses. Every bit of movement counts, and it all helps you build a healthy habit. The best routine is one you can actually do, even on your busiest days. If you have kids, let them join in. If you're working from home, take a break between meetings to get your heart rate up. Flexibility is key. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Knowing there's a clear endpoint makes it easier to get started, and you'll be surprised how much you can accomplish in a short burst. Do some easy exercises, like marching in place, light stretching, or gentle squats. You can also try push-ups against a wall, arm circles, or even dancing to your favorite song. The goal is to get your body moving and your blood flowing. If you're tired, it's okay to go even slower. Listen to your body and adjust the intensity as needed. Some days, just showing up and moving gently is enough. The important thing is that you do something, no matter how small. One set of stretches or a few minutes of movement is always better than nothing at all. Consistency is more important than intensity. Mark your calendar each day you move and celebrate your progress. Over time, these small wins will keep you motivated. A little bit every day is much better than one huge workout once a week. Regular movement helps your body adapt, improves your mood, and makes exercise a natural part of your routine. You'll feel better, have more energy, and start to notice small changes in your mood and body. Maybe you'll sleep better, feel less stressed, or notice your clothes fitting differently. Think of short workouts as movement snacks, quick, energizing breaks that you can sprinkle throughout your day. They're a great way to refresh your mind and body, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. These mini sessions fit in anywhere, while your coffee brews, during a TV commercial, or between work tasks. Every little bit helps, and each movement brings you closer to your health goals. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress and making movement a regular part of your life. Walking is one of the best ways to start getting active. It's free, you can do it almost anywhere, and it fits into any schedule. You don't need special shoes or fancy gear, just put on something comfortable, and go. Start with short walks, maybe just 5 or 10 minutes around your block or in a nearby park. Try to notice the things around you, trees, the sky, your breath. Walking isn't just good for your body, it's great for your mind too. It helps reduce stress and boost your mood. As you get used to walking, you can add more time or try different routes. Invite a friend or listen to your favorite music or podcast. Walking with others makes it more fun and helps you stay motivated. Don't worry about speed or distance at first. Regular walks, even if they're short, are a big step toward better health. Strength training is important for everyone, not just bodybuilders. You can start at home with your own body weight, no equipment needed. These exercises make your muscles stronger and help you move better every day. Try these simple moves: squats, wall push-ups, lunges, glute bridges, and planks. Focus on doing each exercise slowly and with good form. For example, when you squat, keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. If push-ups on the floor are too hard, try them against a wall. Start with one set of 8 to 10 repetitions for each exercise. Rest in between. Over time, you can add more sets or reps as you get stronger. Always listen to your body. If something hurts, stop and adjust. Strength training doesn't just build muscle. It also helps with balance, bone health, and daily tasks like lifting groceries or getting up from a chair. Stretching is often forgotten, but it's very important. It helps keep your muscles flexible and comfortable. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference, especially if you sit a lot for work or study. Start by gently stretching your neck, shoulders, arms, and legs. Hold each stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds. Don't bounce or force yourself into any position. Stretching should feel good, not painful. Regular stretching can help prevent soreness and injuries. It also helps you move more easily during other activities. Over time, you might notice you can reach farther or move with less stiffness. Make stretching a habit before bed or after your walk. Your body will thank you. You don't need a strict diet to be healthy. Start by eating balanced meals with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and some protein. Try to have a little color on your plate at each meal. This means adding greens, reds, and oranges from veggies and fruits. Pay attention to how much you eat, not just what you eat. Eat slowly and stop when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. It's okay to enjoy treats sometimes. Just try not to make them the main part of your diet. Drinking enough water is just as important as what you eat. Aim for at least 6 to 8 cups a day, more if you're active or it's hot outside. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to sip throughout the day. Healthy eating isn't about perfection, it's about making better choices most of the time and enjoying your meals. Your body needs time to rest and recover. Sleep is when your muscles repair and your mind recharges. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep helps you feel more energetic and motivated to stay active. Hydration is another key part of recovery. Water helps your body work better, from your brain to your muscles. If you feel thirsty, tired, or get headaches, you might need more water. Make a habit of drinking a glass first thing in the morning and before meals. Don't forget to take rest days. Recovery is just as important as exercise. On rest days, you can do gentle stretching, go for a light walk, or simply relax. Listen to your body, it will tell you what it needs. Balance movement and rest. Both are important if you want to feel and perform your best. Progress isn't just about losing weight or seeing big changes fast. Every extra step, every stretch, and every healthy meal counts. Take notice of the little ways you're getting better. Maybe you can walk farther, do more squats, or sleep better. Try writing down your activities in a notebook or use a free app. Record how you feel, what you did, or any small milestones. Looking back, you'll see how much you've improved. This helps keep you motivated, especially on tough days. Non-scale victories are just as important as what the scale says. Do your clothes fit better? Are you less tired? Do you feel happier or less stressed? These are all signs you're making progress. Building habits is slow, but it works. Each small choice is a win. Try one tip today and celebrate your efforts. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Over time, all those little wins add up to a healthier, happier you.